Welcome to AutoPot Watering Systems USA. In this animation I will explain how to set up the newly designed 4-pot system. Remove all the contents from the retail box. The 4 1-pot trays and lids, place them in position. The 4 3.9 gallon pots, place them next to the trays. And the contents, including fittings, aqua valves, which will be supplied in a bag. Take your 4 3.9 gallon pots and place them next to the trays, ready for planting up. Finally, remove your 12.4 gallon tank and place it on a raised level that is around 6 inches above the height of the trays. The higher the better. Then push your 1/4 inch top hat grommet into the hole at the bottom of the reservoir, and then push your 1/4 inch pipe into the reservoir so there is roughly an inch inside the tank or reservoir. Then push your filter inside the pipe. Using a pair of scissors, cut the 13 feet of pipe to the appropriate length and attach using 1/4 inch T connectors as shown in the animation. Then take your aqua valves, remove the collar and thread the 1/4 inch pipe through the collar, attaching it to the front of the aqua valve nozzle, and then retighten the collar. Attach the aqua valve to the T section in the tray to prevent it from floating. Then, just after your tank or reservoir, insert a 1/4 inch tap. Once the trays have been set up, then place the lids over the aqua valves. Take your root control discs and place them gold face down in the pots. This will prevent the roots from escaping from the pots. Using a fluffy, free-draining substrate, fill the pots, plant up and water through, allowing the pots to drain. Once the pots have drained, place them in the trays. There is no need at this moment in time to turn the system on for up to 14 days, as there is enough moisture in the pots to feed the small plants. Once the plants have established, then you should turn your system on. After 10 to 14 days, you can fill your reservoir with water, liquid feed and pH balance if necessary, and then turn your system on using the 1/4 inch tap just after your reservoir. Replace the lid on the reservoir, turn your 1/4 inch tap on, and the aqua valves will flood each tray to 3/4 of an inch of water. Then cut off the water supply. The plants will consume all the water, and when the water is gone, the aqua valve will reopen. There is a 1/4 inch tap placed at the end of the run so that you can flush the lines every couple of weeks. This will remove any sediment in the lines that have been created from the fertilizers. There is also an additional layout that you can create using the 4-pot system, ideal for a square meter, using the 1/4 inch cross connectors. The setup is identical as previously explained, but the positioning in the pots is just simply different. There you have an ideal way to set up the 4-pot system, either in a straight line or a square meter layout. It's an ideal and perfect solution to watering your plants with ease. Use a simple, easy to use substrate that is free draining and allow the aquavalves to water your plants for many weeks at a time.